On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get up out the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get up out the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Good morning. What's going on? Otter gang. Mad love to every single one of you guys. How's it going? How's it going? Ooh, I see the puckering. I see you guys all worried. I see your altcoin bags being destroyed. Unsub. What's going on, everybody? Happy Tuesday. Are we going to continue to roll over? Is the bull run over? I don't think so. Get some coffee. We're on early, so we can talk smack for about 2 minutes until 8 o'clock. How about that? That would be really fun. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. What's going on, gang? Good to see ya. Well, down we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. It's all Jesse's fault. He's been selling the Bitcoin, baby. He's been selling the Bitcoin. Wrecked. Best rap song I've ever heard. Alexo Crypto. What's going on, everybody? I saw Sniper's Nightmare was first, man. Top chat. Let's go to live chat here. You got to include everybody. What will be first? 90K, 100K, 5K subs. We're well on our way. And the gang. Okay, so we're dropping below VWAP right now. Rolling over this morning, getting everybody a little bit puckered. You can see the exhaustion in the wicks right now, so let's be cautious. I want to long this. I'm not going to lie. I want to long this. But with, that sweep yesterday, bounce up sweep again. I got long in here. But my God, the pain is real. If we reclaim VWAP, we could be looking for a little bit of a long here. We got pig nipples, bullish consolidation, trying to push back up. Can we mitigate this high? We'll have to see. Good morning to every single one of you guys. Sorry about yesterday. So I was in the long yesterday. And then I had to cut the live short. We just got some bad news about my wife's aunt who has got diagnosed with the bad C word. So yeah, it's pretty tough. But your thoughts and your prayers and your kind words are really meaningful to me and my family. And yeah, it's never fun. Don't want to start on a bad note, though. I want to remain positive. Got to be strong for my wife and her family, and that's what you do, and it's part of life. But I thank you guys all for your support, and I'm going to leave it at that, okay? So thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, good morning to every single one of you guys. Getting a little pushback here on Bitcoin. Will it continue? Okay, now that we've pushed back here, can we look for a retest back into VWAP? Find some support. A little bit of a downtrend in here. We'll see how it goes. Looking for this thing to pop back up, or a swing failure pattern would be even more juicy. You can see volume coming in. Okay, volume coming in here. A little bit of a battle, as you can see. We'll see if we do get that continuation out of this area here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you for supporting me and hanging out with the gang. I mean, you guys are incredible. Sniper's Nightmare. He was in here first. Mad love to you. Marcal, what's going on? And the gang. First to vote, Tony Soprano. What's going on, man? Good morning, Alexandra G. Oh, man, I'm losing my voice. Alexandra G. Let's see some Alexandra G's in the chat. I know a lot of you guys got those memberships, so let's see it. Little bit of bottoming structure here, kind of running away from us. Come back here, Bitcoin. Come back here, man. Is the interesting thing today is Microsoft going to put Bitcoin on the balance sheet? Put a 1 in the chat if you think Microsoft is going to adopt the Bitcoin craze. Let me know. Good morning, Buck. Good morning, BSM. Darren does things. What's going on, my brother? Jesse, good luck. Stop selling your Bitcoin, man. Stop selling your Bitcoin. What's going on, Crypto Naughty? Mad love to you, man. Al Jr. I swear I can't unsee it. Your circle looks like Hancock. This looks like Hancock, man. Good morning, Otter Emma. Motherfucking gang. Good morning. Good morning to you, Short Squeeze. Good morning. Hope you're doing well. Good morning, fam. Good morning, CM Designs. Hope you're doing well. Look at the pushback we're getting here. Exhaustion. This is let's not be fooled, but this looks strong. Like a little strong push after we've come for some liquidity in this area here. There is some more down below. Let's not be fooled here, okay? Let's not be fooled coming up to a golden pocket area first and foremost this morning. Let's check from swing high to swing low. Mark that out. This is going to be our key area alongside with the order block up in here. We'll see if we do get a rejection off of this area first. But then we can look for continuation. We'll see how it goes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's continue through the chat, man. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Hit the like button, fam, says Jesse. Mad love to you. Airdropper, the lurker. Good morning to you, man. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Mad love to you. Luke Zaldana, good morning. Otter gang. Let's go. Hope everyone is blessed. Much love to you, man. Poor Crypto Steve, good morning to you. Best rap song I've ever heard. Goldie Crypto, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here, being part of the gang. Wild Deuces, what's going on? Christos wrecked. Are you wrecked, man? I mean, of course everybody's portfolio's down whatever percent yesterday, but I mean, a pretty swift bounce back. I mean, and we should be privy to the corrections. Anyways, this is a good thing. IKO, let's go. Mad love to you. Crypto Naughty. Xena with the pink hand every morning. I look forward to Xena's pink hand and forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. That's what I'm always looking forward to. Consistency. It is about consistency. It is about showing up for yourself and trying to be your best person. So thank you guys so much for being here. Matt Eagle, good morning, brother. Good morning to you, man. Shiver, everybody. It's actually warmed up a little bit in Canada here. It's like +1 Celsius. Let me sit up a little bit more. I feel like I'm slouching. You got to be focused here. We got to be focused. I see you. What's going on, Wells? Jesse, good to see you, man. Bitcoin dominance is just going higher. Oof, look at the retrace back into here. Oof, are we looking to get long? So no rejection up here. Push back. It's a bit early, but we should have taken the long early yesterday, so you never know, right? I'd like to see it come back into here. Easy risk management on this one. We're going into some data tomorrow as well. I said data, not data. You can call me data. I'm a new dad, but you can still call me data. Daddy Otter. Is that acceptable? Daddy Otter. Good morning to you. Wells Jesse. Be the panda. Morning. Good morning. Is she PK? Good morning, Crypto Ben. Is she okay? Yeah, she is. Mrs. Otter, I mean, it's bad news. It's not good news. So it's hard to deal with, but it's part of life, and you deal with it as it comes. And that's it, right? You want to stay strong for your family, and that's all it's about. Good morning. Bochansky, my man. Good to see you. Aaron, good morning. IKO, Crypto Ben, good morning. Be the panda. Prayers. Thank you, Shiver. Mad love to you, King. Love G is be strong. Mad love, King J. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Alexandra G's in the chat. Let's go. Okay, we got the ones in the chat. We got 0. I'm in danger. Do you need help? Mr. Danger? Or are you Walter White? I am the danger. I love that. That was great. What a series. Breaking Bad. Man, Bryan Cranston crushed that. I see continuation here. Pushing back. Oh, man. I don't think we missed it. We came under VWAP. Oh, see, this is no trade in here, man. It was this trigger wave that could have gave it to us. Could have gave it to us. Coming up to golden pocket here. So what I would expect right now is a little bit of a rejection. Eh? Okay, come back in. We'll see if we get it. We'll see if we get it. Here comes the rejection, hopefully. Unless you want to short this. Do you want to short this, guys? We can short this. Do you feel like shorting this morning? That's momentum, baby. I don't think I feel like shorting that. Tell me the TA doesn't work. Anyways, let's say good morning to everybody. Pot, Jackie, good morning. Kubabe, 444. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Look at that rejection off the golden pocket. People are buying this up right now. Paul Caruso, good morning to you. Adeslam Kamel, good morning to you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. I've come over from Princess's channel. I enjoyed learning about your crypto story, but I'm an investor. Still want to see your show. Thank you so much for being here, Jackson M. Mad love to you. Otter Gang is happy to have anyone investing. We invest, but we also put that money to work in trading. So hopefully we can help you on your trading journey. But right now, just waiting. What is since you're an investor, what are you looking at? Like, are you looking at AI? Are you looking at real world assets? Are you looking at gaming? What tickles your button? You know what I mean? Anyways, just wondering, Jackson. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for dropping by. Mad love to you. Bro Rickle, good morning, Alex. Best wishes to you and your family, and thank you for showing up all the time. Yes, that is the one thing I can guarantee you will always get from me is that I do show up. Rain or shine, you'll always have to put up with me because I'm here. I've done this consistently for 2+ years, almost 3 years now. Holy shit. Look at this pushback. Come on, Bitcoin. Come back to VWAP. Be a good boy. We'll see how it goes here. But yeah, I'll continue to show up. It's never easy. I was showing up when I had 3 subscribers. Now I got 4,000 something. So, I mean, ask Sniper's Nightmare and Darren Does Things and Tony Soprano and Jonathan Schaefer. I was and my mom. Those were the people who would come by and say hello to me every now and then. So thank you to those people. And the rest of you guys. You guys know who you are. I don't have to shout you all out. I've been shouting you out for 3 years, so, you know, you should have enjoyed it more when it was just you guys. Oh, man. Mad love to you guys. Lotmo Crypto. Let's go, man. Look at this thing pushing. Money coming back in. I like this. Okay, golden pocket battle right now. Wick 589, what's going on, my man? Good to see you as well. You might as well be walking on the sun. Good to see you, my man. Matthias, hi. Good morning. CG Beats. Luke Bailey, good morning to you as well. Wow, bullish momentum, V-shaped recovery in the midst right now. Holy smokes, we should have got long, man. Why didn't we press buy? That's all right. We're still waiting. Trading is waiting. Maybe a Band-Aid. Mad love to you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Kamel, Alex, what about FTM, please? Phantom, we had an amazing. No structure to go off of. That's the one, right? We had the pig nipples in here with the trigger wave. That's the only thing we really had in here. But that was before the stream, really. So this thing's ripping. Coming back up. Bitcoin on a tear. Can we look to get in? That is the question. Okay, that's not holding. Pushing up. What a liquidity grab yesterday, eh? Holy smokes, what a rollover. We took the long here. And then boom. Down we came. I took a bunch of scalps within here. Yesterday I had an actually good afternoon scalping. So we'll see how this goes here. This is looking quite strong right now. Shout out to everybody here. My God, pushing. It's pushing. Let's not be a victim of chasing price, though. That's always a bad idea. Oh, y'all Canadians, Arctic blast is aimed straight at Florida. Us Florida's mans will not suffer such aggression. I mean, in my igloo up here in Canada, while riding my moose and my sled dogs pulling us along sometimes, just for a little bit of extra speed, on my snowmobile, that, we're pretty warm up here right now, so... Late to the date. Good morning, John Woods. Mad love to you, man. Mad love to you. Looks like a 786 rejection right now. Coming back in. Okay. Coming back in here. My God, this is some of you wanted me to put the chart prime indicator up here yesterday. So I can do that every now and then. I don't want to do any distracted trading. It's like distracted driving, except you got analysis paralysis. That's never a fun time. Okay. 786 rejection. Looking for this to come back in here. Now that we have a high, let's take a look here. Okay, so we're going to go from impulse move up to the high here. Let's go golden pocket area, VWAP, protection underneath, okay? Looking for something like this. We'll see if we get it. Coming back into 97,250. 97,250. Maybe 200. Let's give it a little bit of breathing room, okay? 97,200, looking down in here. VWAP, return to innocence, okay? We'll see if we get it. Good old rejection from here. So let's see what the market wants to give us today. CPI is going to be fun tomorrow. Absolutely. That is something that's definitely on my radar. Got a whole bunch of data, or data, as you want to call it. Don't call me data. All right? Don't call me data. Be careful out there. It's a dangerous one. BBL, good morning to you. Maybe a Band-Aid. What's going on, man? Good to see you as well. Chris, good morning to you. Hopefully you're doing well. D. Oz, good morning. Let's make today much better than yesterday. Well, yesterday we did give you guys the long, like perfect long, right here off the VWAP retest. That was yesterday. So you're able to take this little like 1% move up here, and then obviously it dumped on everybody. But we did give the long, and then we had to jump off the live. I had to flash close that to hang out with my wife and make sure she was all right. But we did give the long yesterday, so I'm gonna count that as a victory, okay? Because that was a good setup off the VWAP here. Whoop, VWAP flip, long there, bang, up we went. Okay, so a nice little long yesterday. So now we wait again. Can VWAP be our friend today? We'll have to wait and see. Okay, looking for a little bit of a retracement here if price is going to come down and serve us well. We got 192 people in here and only 50 likes. I think we're much more capable than that, Otter Gang. Just saying. Yeah, but I'm not going to ask. Jezreel, good morning to you. Doug, thoughts on Sensei? Zoom out on the chart. Whoa. Thoughts on Sensei? We like degenerate time frames. We're here to scalp and make our money. Take our 1% a day is what we aim for. Okay? It's more interactive. It's more fun. We get to talk about price action. That's how we roll. Just trying to break it down. We have our key levels. We always give our key levels. We have our preparedness. We're always ready to rock and roll as per usual. We have our key levels. We know where we're looking to go. We're very concerned about this Adam and Eve. Okay, this is the concern. The 4-hour Adam and Eve pattern. Okay, definitely looking to break down. Okay, so be cautious. We're very well aware of that, coming down to 90,000. But nonetheless, I'm just looking to get my little breadcrumbs every day, so we'll see how it goes. We'll zoom out one day, but not today, my friend. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Mad love to you, Doug, Sam Zerker, Jacob, Dorton. Morning, man. Good morning. Good morning to you, Crypto Chef. Good morning. Mad love to you guys. Dying Tickles. Okay. Hope you're all the best, Mrs. Otter. Yeah, Mrs. Otter will be okay. She's a tough British lady, so she just gets on with it, as they say. Chicken, what's going on, my brother? Good to see you as well. Buck, drugs aren't bad. K? Tony Soprano, almost as good as the Sopranos. Yes, almost. You know, we're kind of biased here. We're kind of biased. Dave Digital, I see you, bro. Peak gains don't short the bull run ever. VWAP is no joke, brother. VWAP is the shit, man. I love the VWAP. It's probably because I'm Italian and I'm a bit of a WAP as well. So it's like VWAP, volume weighted. Oh wait, is it OP? Without papers, WAP. That's what it stands for, right? Shepard, good morning to you. Blair Stevenson, good morning, man. Good morning, man. How you doing? A little double top in here, coming back down. We still got the order placed down in here. We'll see if the VWAP will hold. Okay, a little bit of this tells me there's a little bit of exhaustion up here. Okay, if you're wondering what chart prime's saying. Exhaustion. Okay, you got your RSI. You got a money flow in here, which I prefer market ciphers. And then you have this choppy Mag 7 thing in the back, which is actually quite useful if you know what you're doing. Okay. We could do chart prime later, though. I do teach at chart prime, so there's lots to learn there. It's just too much to go over, okay? It gets the people going. Absolutely smashing day and week and month before. Let's go, David Brumbelow, man. I love your positivity, man. It's so good. Tony Soprano, David Brumbelow. I'm looking at my trading account grow. Absolutely. I have actually been crushing it as well. Just in general, like I've found this like new risk management thing that's just like been absolutely fire for me. Absolutely fire. Like where I'm taking a lot of scalps and I'm just 260 loss there, right? But look, like 480 minus 43, 390, 204, right? This is just like the last day and a bit. I mean, just been absolutely spanking Bitcoin because, you know, who's your daddy and what does he do? Okay, so it's been fun. But you don't want to get over, like woo. Good to see you. Airdropper, heavy investment in real world assets. Okay. Ondo, Proppy, Pendle. Yes, stuff like that. STL coin. Good morning. Luke Zaldana, prayers, bro. Much love to you and your family. Thank you guys so much for the prayers. For my wife's aunt. Thank you guys for investing in AI, real world assets, recently looking into memes. But I keep getting wrecked on memes. Yeah. You know, we've taken some absolute banger trades in our Discord on memes, like banger trades. Like we longed Pepe on the inverse head and shoulders. Like this was one of our better trades over here. This one was stupid, okay, in the Discord. Oh my God, 122%. We also took the Brett trade, and since Brett has returned back down, but I mean, a banger of a trade. We took some turbo time. Turbo was, oh my God, this one was gravy too. So Peanut, you know, we took a little Peanut here and there, but, you know, Peanut's actually crashed pretty hard. We were looking at Myro. That did go up 40%, then crashed as well. So there's been the trades there. It's just like, my God, when it comes down, man, it pours, right? So flagging out here. Okay, no, this looks to me like we'll see if we do get continuation here. Aggressive, breaking the. Yeah, this looks like coming down. Yeah, especially when you have this momentum, it's not sustainable. You want to see more healthy price action. Still looking down here at VWAP. No trade yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 200 people in here. 88 likes. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, hit the like button. Subscribe. We'd love to have you. Make sure you guys are saying good morning, okay? I do expect good mornings, okay? I don't expect much, but I do expect good mornings. Dave Digital, what's going on, my brother? Good to see you. Joan, good to see you as well. Good morning. KCC Nuke, this ish again. I'm out of longs, weak AF. Yeah, it is choppy. I could, after yesterday, like I could see us going sideways for a couple of weeks going into kind of January, but it's interesting. The more we go sideways, the more alts will bleed against Bitcoin. So we'll see, but we want to be patient. We'll trade what's in front of us. It's one thing that I always say is you have to separate your hodl bags from your trading bags, okay? You have to separate the two. It's not going to be healthy if you think everything's going to die against Bitcoin, or if you think everything's going to pump to the moon. How's that going to affect your psychology when you're just trying to trade and take your little piece of Bitcoin throughout the day, right? So be cautious with that association and what you want for your bags and what you want for trading, right? If you can separate the two, I do believe it helps a lot with trying to take advantage of price action, which is what we do every single day. If you are new here, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. So thank you, everybody, for being here. I appreciate you guys. Dave knows. Dave does know. Dave knows a lot. Dave is incredible. So we got inverse head and shoulders here on Market Cipher on the 1 hour, playing to the upside, but we do have a trigger wave to the downside. The 2 pushing back up, the 3 pushing back up, the 4 pushing back up. VWAP's a little bit cooked right now. So we want to see strength coming in. Quite possible it could come today, okay? Looks like if we're going to get the pushback, it's going to be today. We'll see if we get it, okay? Just a little patience will prevail, but 382 bounce? Really? You're going to 382 bounce us? 382 bounce. Oh, man. I think it's coming lower. It's got to come lower. Don't smoke the hopium, though. Don't count on me to do your trading. I'm just here. This is never financial advice. I'm just a random Canadian streaming from his igloo who rides his moose every day into town, says hello and good day and a lot, and eats maple syrup. I pour the maple syrup on the ice, and then I have an ice popsicle, maple syrup popsicles. That's how we make them here. And, we like snowmobiling and skiing and pelts and all that stuff. I don't know. What is the stereotypes you want me to go down? I got them all. I'm probably say A way too much. I probably say sorry way too much. Money flow. Let's go. TP without entry. Let's go. Let's go. Wick 589. Altcoin Ace. I don't feel like Doge is going to dip much lower before the election. Department of Government Efficiency. Was the right after this Mountie stopped you and say, yeah, the Mountie did stop me, man. We have 5-minute structure at 97.9. This is flagging out, making lower lows, right? Lower lows in here, coming down. 83 degrees in Florida, you bastards. My igloo, A2 igloo. Oh, I appreciate your hospitality, Wick 589. We can share igloos. I'll be in my rounded dome side of the corner there. There's no corners, so I'll be over there on that rounded side, right over there. Good morning to you, Otter Boss, Alex O'Crypto, all set. Good morning to you, man. How's it going? Good to see you. Incredible yesterday, total win. So that's it, right? That was a good play. You have an igloo, Wick. Awesome. Yeah, Wick's my neighbor. We actually have an underground igloo tunnel. Where we ride our polar we have polar bears outside if you do try to find us. I don't suggest you anyways, the sarcasm needs to stop, doesn't it? I can get going, man. I can get going. Marco, good morning. Jesse, good luck. 28 days, 6 hours, 42 minutes, and 12 seconds. Till what? Is that till the president comes into play? Orange Man's in? Orange Man is in. Good morning, Otter. Gang. Best gang, 1,000%. Good to see you, Massey. Mad love to you, brother. Good to see all of you. Hit the like button, says Jesse. Thank you for the €6, man. That's incredible. That's a lot of Canadian pesos, bro. Justin Trudeau, I love you, Justin Trudeau. Please don't demonetize our stream, but has ruined our Canadian dollar. Good morning to you, undies. No, how would you guys say this? Zis. I'm going to call you undies. It's just, I'm sorry, bro. It's too easy. Jacob Torton just pulled over to the Sensei's vid. Mad love to you, Jacob. Mad love to you, man. Okay, so flagging out here, rolling over. I don't like this. This looks ugly. We're going to see how VWAP behaves over here. No trade yet. Crypto Mike, good morning to you. Sam Zerker. Good morning, undies. Good morning. Hit the like button and enjoy the stream. Let's go. Maybe I won't call you undies. I'll call you Ziz. Thank you, Ziz, for being here. Multi-sig dummy. Good morning to you, Alex. So what do you prefer, market cipher B money flow or chart prime? Does it react differently? Absolutely. Market cipher B money flow is king, in my opinion. That's just my bias, okay? That's just my bias. That is just because I've been using it for 3 years. So I see both, okay? I see both, but you know, when you get used to using something, it's like your favorite hockey stick. Here's the Canadian analogy. It's got that curve that if you it's like your favorite, coffee mug. Okay? You've been using it. It always tastes better. It's got that flavor, Ooh. Gets you going in the morning. It's whatever, your favorite pair of underwear on a night out on Friday. It's one of those. It's like that. You know what I mean? It's nostalgic. It's just what you're used to. It's hard to develop trust with an indicator, okay? It takes time to be able to trust that, hey, man, money's coming in, assets coming down, divergence, looking for a possible pushback, right? You got money coming in, price coming down. Hey, you might want to go long. Little trigger wave here. Right? Right? This is looking bullish now. Now that I said that, look, green dot, double green dot. Double green dot, double green dot. But it takes time, right? It's a tool. It's going to work for you, right? Like for me as a carpenter, I have a certain type of drill I like. Whether you guys are using Ryobi or Makita, whatever you use, right? You know the product. You know where the buttons are. Like anything, right? Xbox versus PlayStation. It's all that. It's that same shit. It's familiarity. It's association. I've seen this before, therefore I can execute with this information. It's going to be whatever you learn, right? And you got to spend time with it. Like anything, it's an investment. They're both great. It's just a matter of preference, okay? And if it's making you money, don't change it, right? That's why I haven't changed, right? Brian Rhodes, good morning. Alex GD, good morning. Doug, good morning. Me fail English. That's impossible. Well, you're doing well enough, man. I can understand what you're saying. You would say, I'm bad at English. This is impossible. Maybe that might help you. Thank you for being here, Danger Wick. Google now, the quantum chip that tech giants claim can solve the problem in just 5 minutes. A feat that would take the world's fastest supercomputers 10 septillion years, i.e. That's lots of time, man. We don't have that time. What's going on, Ronnie? Good morning to you. All set. Good morning to you. Big time mindset. Good morning to you. What do you think, man? I think that we are consolidating and either trapping longs or building a short position here. I don't like it. Do we have to even zoom in further? 30-second here. Pig nipple 30-second pushing out. Breaking structure to the upside. Come on, we're not going to do that. Let's be careful here. This is no trade, right? Why do we want to participate in something that's choppy? Right? There's nothing here for us. We would have sat still for, since 10 after 8. We would have been just sitting here. enjoying our fluctuation, right? Nervous Nelly. Oh my God, is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? This is not what I want to participate in. Nothing. Maybe this would have been the one, the Neo trade. Okay. This is trying to push, right? You got, I mean, you could say this is a 382 bounce, 382 bounce continuation. Very, very nitpicky, though, in my opinion. Very nitpicky. So we wait. We wait for lower. We wait for lower. Hopefully we get lower. Get low, get low, get low. I've changed my risk management too. I'm following a lot of the advice of Al Brooks, and I've added John Carusco's quad rotation stochastics to using Market Cipher B plus patience. Plus patience. I love it, David Brumbelow. Mad love to you, bro. Always improving, man. Yo, I'm late. I didn't think I'd be here after yesterday. Only quitters quit. Good to have you, Massey, man. Back on the horse. Lower the risk. Lower the margin. Get some wins under your belt. Take your time. Practice patience. Practice patience. Don't need to be in a trade. It's no position is a position. Good to see it all set. Massey, David Brumbelow, Doug, good morning. Ice fishing. We like ice fishing, yeah. Letter Quenny Clotes. You ever do schneef off a cow's teat? Schneef being the white powder that isn't sugar. Yes. Much love, Alex. Just be you. Mad love to you, man. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here. Mad love to every single one. I can't keep up with this chat. Make sure you guys are saying good morning, looking at this thing here. Morning, Jesse Amen. Good morning to you, Streamlabs. Good morning to Mr. Streamlabs. Thank you for always being here. The most consistent viewer of all the places, Mr. Streamlabs himself with the wrench. Good morning to you. Make sure you go and subscribe and join us in the Discord. English don't say sorry. No, they don't. They say, you're all right, mate. You're all right. Figure it out. Get on with it. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah. I'm married to a Brit. I understand. She reminds me every day that the Queen is on my money. The Canadian dollar has the Queen on it. She just, no, she's not like that. But I know who's boss. Okay. Good day from the Philippines. Good to see you as well. Jesse knows rookie mistakes. Good. Ziz, I keep saying undies, man. I'm sorry about that. I can't see it now. I can't see it. Oh, Mickey, good morning. This is unjez. This is undies. Unjez. Jesse knows it's a long day. That's long today. Okay. Be the panda. I can get on with that. We just want where am I getting along here? This could work. We know this could work, okay? Do we have targets above us? Not really. We have a big-ass order block above us here. I would like this more. So we got the bottom yesterday. Okay, we got long off this, and then it came back for everybody again, and then again. And now it has creeped all the way up, creating liquidity. Okay. I would like to see more of a sweep and then go. Okay, but we do have, the tops up here. So we have double topping right now. We have this big ass order block up in here. So if we start to establish support, we could get higher. But for me, this right here, I would like to see somewhere down in here. 90. We'll see. We'll see how low we can get. On a higher term time frame, we also understand that, hey, this is an Adam and Eve. This could break down to the downside. Very ugly price action. Scam, wickety, wickety. Okay? But we also know we're in a bull run and we have pushed up quite aggressively. So any sort of consolidation is going to make for a longer bull run possibly and a typical, a typical base for us to bounce off of, right? We just hope and pray it doesn't lead us into into that 7 months of consolidation that we went through before, okay? Look at this. We're getting bearish divergence in here. Okay, flagging out, coming back down, trying to push up. Nothing yet. Still waiting down for this trade, down in here, waiting. Trading is waiting, and I'm sorry to make you wait, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles. John Woods, Michael, good morning, good afternoon. Jesse, Wick's wife, 89, good to see you as well. Chart Prime seems more ahead. Absolutely. Well, it's the same story, right? Market cipher B money flow is more predictive rather than reactive. I like that. That's good too. Good morning. What does Doge look like to you? A beautiful furry creature with beautiful potential to go to the absolute moon. Consolidation. Buy level. Look at that buy level. That was for another class. I mean, potential buy level. That's Doge. Doggo coin, man. Bouncing back up here, man. Look at the volume coming in. This is pretty aggressive. And then we haven't even had market open yet. Okay, so volume is dying out now. So we V-shaped recovery. So that's an interesting move. V-shaped recovery with aggressive volume. Now consolidating out with volume dying out. I think strength here. This looks like strength. Big volume coming in here. Not something for me yet. Not for me yet. Okay, we'll see. 913, good morning to you. Sniper's Nightmare. Depends on what part of England you're from. Yes, the Northerners. You got to watch out for them Northerners. They're dangerous. They're dangerous. I mean, when I lived in Scotland, there was no bullshit going on. Great. Now their idiots are going to go buy Ryobi. Well, you know, it's almost like they get the tool they deserve, right, Buck? They get the tool they deserve. They got the Ryobi leaf blower that couldn't blow a piece of paper down the street. Makita for dear life. Yeah, let's go. Blue is best. You got to know that. And then you have those guys with their Milwaukee packouts, man. Those guys. Milwaukee's overpowered. Here we go. We're gonna start the tool debate, man. Just listen to the band and here we go. Milwaukee, yeah. Here we go. Darren does things. What tools do you use? I know you do DIY. I mean, as a carpenter, I used Makita for most of my finish work, but then I'd use DeWalt for my rough carpentry. And then I'd use like a skill saw, worm drive. There's certain tools that you need, and there's certain tools that you make do with, okay? You're not going to buy a DeWalt table saw. Let's put it that way. A little chop saw here and there. Okay, good to go, but dump this shit. Yeah, we're waiting here. We're waiting. We're nicer than the Southerners. We're stubborn too, yeah. Yeah, those Southerners, though, they sound nice, but they can be cruel as well. Hilti is good, too. Yeah, I got a Hilti hammer drill. Hilti is good. Their cordless hammer drills are quite good. Okay. I'm not a big fan of their impacts. American brands, Milwaukee is crap. DeWalt, kind of good. Yeah. I love the tool debate. Best tools, track saw, I actually like the Makita track saw. Bosch makes a great demo hammer, chipping gun. I don't know what you call it in the UK, just like you call it skirting board, not baseboard. I love this. We're getting a tool debate. You guys are funny, man. You guys are funny. When you've used tools for most of your career, okay, I've used every tool under the planet. 15 years of carpentry. I mean, you find out what's good and what isn't, right? And some of the new shit's bad, man. It's really bad. Like I have old tools that like are way better. Like a beautiful skill saw, worm drive skill saw, red handle, baby. It's like, ooh, baby. Ooh, skill saw. The red handle Oh man, this is the butter. This is the butter maker. If you're doing any, oh baby, red handled skill saw, baby. This is ooh baby, ooh baby. I had this one too. I've had this one. This one, DeWalt one, is it's rough. It's rough. It's not that great. But this one, baby, ooh baby, ooh baby, get out of my way. I'll be cutting like a laser, baby. Okay. Look, we missed the move now, guys. We missed the move. Oh man. All right. All right. Look at this pushback here. So this is not something I want to trade, right? Like this is ugh, consolidation. Double top here, rejection. Double top here, rejection like this. Let's pick it apart. 1 minute time frame. So if we get a higher high, right? Like this, higher high. Sweep of the highs right now. Sweep of the highs. There's the sweep. We're getting the sweep now. Look at the volume coming in for that sweep too. Volume coming in. Okay, push down. And it kind of follow through. If it retests in here, it could continue upwards. Retest, continue upwards, so be careful of that. It has swept the highs here with volume. Patience. No trade. No trade. We wait. We wait. We still have this high to mitigate up here. There's liquidity in this high, guaranteed. There's liquidity up in here. Oops, wrong one. We got liquidity up in here. Big order block in here. Institutional money having a little fun here, right? You can see the big order block in here. Sweep of the highs, rejection, double top, bullet bearish divergence. Okay? Stalling out a little bit here. A little bit of patience. There's no trade in here. That's unless you're looking to short. You could be shorting this, but a V-shaped recovery, bull flag, continuation, not something I'm shorting. Okay? The long would be down here somewhere. We're waiting. Look at this thing coming in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 250 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Sorry about yesterday as well. Had to go. Got some bad news. Family first. This is why you learn how to trade, because it does give you an opportunity to have, time and an opportunity to spend more time with your family and be there for them, right? Like for me, if I was working construction still, I'd be out. I'd leave the house at 5. I'd get home at 5, and I'd be exhausted. Wouldn't be able to be there for my wife yesterday. So this is what I wish for everybody who is taking the trading journey seriously, where they can, be at home, spend time with their family too. Right? I was able to go back on the charts yesterday, scalp up, make a good old $800 USDT, and that was it within a couple of hours, right? Easy day. Keep the doctor away, right? Easy day. You could be looking actually a little bit higher here because we got this liquidity up in here as well. Nice push up here for Bitcoin. Easy day. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Mad love to you guys. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. We'd love for you guys all to join us. We do have an amazing Discord. I will be doing a little bit of a promo next week going into the Christmas holidays. I'll do 25% off the Discord going into the holidays. But if you do want to join the Discord, a bunch of amazing people. We got a great chat. We got TA. You get all the ideas in the morning from me. You get signals from myself, Kyle, Brewberry, Thesis. Okay, 4 traders helping you on your trading journey. live streams, 8 of those a week. So come over and hang out in the Discord. Would love to have you guys. We'll do a sale next week. Okay, we'll do that next week for you guys if you do want to come and take your trading journey a little bit further. We got to push up here into liquidity. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smashing the like button. Subscribe if you are new. We're here live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Would love to have you guys. I went short. Well, no trade, right? We said no trade. My love to every single one of you. Tool debate, lateralis. Ooh. Lateralis. I don't know. I don't have a favorite Tool song. I like it's a mood thing with me. Tool's not something you listen to. It's somewhere you go. Okay, it's an experience. I mean, if I had to pick, no, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. For me, if we're going Tool debate, it would be I don't know. For drumming, Numa. Obviously, Numa is one of the best drumming songs in the world. If we're going for like feels, parabol to parabola. I mean, you can't beat a parabola, man. You can't beat a when you're driving, a parabol to a parabola when you're driving. If you know, you know, okay? If you know, you know. The Grudge for the scream at the end. The Grudge. Oh, man. Oh, man. Vicarious. I could go on for days, man. Like, it's just somewhere you go, man. Lateralis is great, though, man. Shout out to you, Wick589. Mad love to you guys. Danny is phenomenal. Yes. Oh, man. You guys are great. Thank you for being here, man. Everybody, mad love to all of you guys. We're well on our way to 5,000 subscribers. Incredible. Who would have ever thought about that? We're at 4,743. My God, you guys are incredible. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Hopefully I can help you on your trading journey. Mad love to every single one of you guys. We got Alexandra G in the chat. We got Dave Digital. We got Brumbalo. We got Tony Soprano. My God, let's go. Alexandra G. All you guys got your own emoji G's. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for your long-term support. Thank you guys for your short-term support. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys are incredible. Okay, coming up, double top in here. No trade. Pushing back down, coming back, grabbing some liquidity. We got exhaustion coming in here on chart prime. We got volume slowing down with the move up, which to me, this sounds weakness in this move. Okay, weakness in this move. If we lose this little trend line here, break structure to the downside, we could be looking for the retest in here. Okay, there it is. So we could be looking for the short now if we do lose this. Could be looking for this. Double top in here. So we do have momentum to the upside here on the 24. Printing a green dot, trying to push up. Okay, continuation. Momentum coming in. No trade yet. No trade yet. Thank you guys so much for being here. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Volume is key. Volume is always important. Volume is always important. A lot of the time you can see the volume before the move, before it prints over here, but each candle writes a story. Hey, beautiful. You're bringing me my glass. I don't wear my glasses on the live stream because it makes me look dorky. What do you guys think? Should I wear the glasses on the my beautiful wife just brought me glasses. They all send their loving and prayers for you. And she says thank you. Mrs. Otter says thank you. But what? You're cute. My wife's beautiful, and you can. I don't like sharing. I'm an only child. Oh man. Just use your eyelashes. That chicken, that is exactly how a carpenter really does his work, man. If you're one of those guys on site and you're wearing safety glasses, you don't got long enough eyelashes to be in the trades, man. Oh man, too good. Too good. Pushing up here. No strength in the move. The safety squid. Exactly. You're just eating man glitter, which is also known as only for soft only for soffit. Yeah. When you're ripping that aluminum with the friggin' with the plate. Oh man. You got the grinders on. You're just I've melted eyelashes like so many times. Fucking stupid, bro. Stupid. The aluminum will get you, man. The aluminum will get you. That's when you got to be able to shoot the sparks away from you. Okay, you guys know how the grinding wheel works. Okay, you got to be a ninja with that grinding wheel. A lot of people are on grinder, not knowing how to use the grinder wheel. If you know what I mean. We're horrible, man. We should be kinder. No. The squint doesn't work on welding. We ain't here for sexy appeal. Put the glasses on. I mean, I don't know. There are some ladies. We do have like I think it's 8% of our viewers are women. We have been doing pretty good for the crypto space. For the lady viewers, shout out to all the lady viewers here. Maybe I don't have I can't turn my mic into like Barry White. I can't get enough of your love, baby. But I can beatbox. No. Look at this. Failed momentum. Okay, big push out, but no momentum for continuation yet. Okay, you can see that very clearly here. We got market open in about 35 minutes. Okay, 35 minutes. The SPY rolling over yesterday. A little bit of bearishness across the board. However, we do have a very parabolic uptrend here on the SPY. Therefore, coming back, reclaiming, highs in here would be ideal, but we'll see how this reacts. Okay, Bitcoin trying to roll over right now, but we do have a little bit of a cool down happening. We got a little bit of a head and shoulders here on the NASDAQ. Okay, cautious here. A little pushback, retracement. Okay, we'll see if that can continue as well. Yeah, ES rolling over, big topping structure up here, so careful with that. The Russell failing to expand, okay? Always watching the Russell here. Yeah, push up, now flagging out, if anything. So the Russell, no breakout. This would be nice if we could see this push. However, looking a little bit weak sauce here on the Russell. So we'll see. Welcome to Bitcoin. Welcome to Ethereum Gamma chart. Okay, Larry Fink. Larry, we have gone up back to and then we've come back to where I bought, Larry. This is unacceptable, Larry. Larry, you rugged me. I bought all the way back in January or in August. You rugged me 38%. Then you pumped the bags for grandma all the way up 77%. And Larry, now you've put me back to where I bought originally. Larry, this is unacceptable. How could you do this to your grandmother? That's the phone calls Larry's getting from grandma. Right? Holding this momentum, but this looks weak. Rolling over a little bit of toppy signal here. Oh, yeah, this looks weak in my opinion. No trade. Just waiting. Trading is waiting. I will repeat that. I will repeat being patient because that's the only way you're going to be able to manage this thing here and manage this part here. This is your most important part of your trade, okay? If you're gonna be successful in this game after trading every single day basically for the last 3 years, this is the most important thing here, right here. If you can manage this, you can manage to have some longevity, give yourself that learning curve that you deserve, and give yourself an opportunity to try and change your life with trading. Okay. It's the only very scalable job immediately. You can scale immediately, which I don't suggest it, but what job can you start off at 40K a year and turn that in? You can just double your margin and turn that into 80K a year. Not many. Okay, so it's the most scalable job I think on the planet, but it comes with a lot of risk. Okay, you need to be able to manage risk. Okay, right now it's easy mode. If you traded with us in the bear market and you were getting a 0.5% a day, you're getting this move. This was your move a day. Okay, for the whole day, price action would be here. That would be your price action. Okay, that would be your whole day. You'd have to learn how to trade this. Not fun. But you learn a lot. I tell you that much. Trading back in the bear. And then all of a sudden it would just dump like 30%. Crazy. So we got a bit of an ascending triangle here. I don't like the higher high here. I would have liked to see a flat top here, if anything. I would have liked to see this being flat. Because this is diverting, right? If we go into, I don't know, if we want to pick it apart in like a 1 minute time frame, you got higher highs. Yeah, maybe not diverting, just creeping up. Ugly price action though, isn't it? This is a lot of uncertainty. You can see we had a little breakout retest here. Okay, there's your breakout. Right, your little breakout retest back in. But that's you're splitting hairs there, right? I don't like this momentum. This golden pocket's going to come up now. So let's go from impulse up to the second high here. This is a little bit higher now if we are going to come back to the golden pocket. We can draw that out here. Okay. And we wait. Liquidity above us. So maybe we get a triple top this morning coming into market open in half an hour. So we get a triple top here. Then we go down. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. 127 likes, 250 watchers. That's pretty awesome. Thank you, guys, for supporting the channel. RMT in the place to be. Lunar Beaches, crypto. Mad love to you, brother. Good to see you. Shorted to VWAP, Alex, and be done. I like that idea. I would like to see the liquidity grabbed first, Dave. We'll see how it goes. How long does it take your wood to season? Here in Florida, it's humid as hell. What are you guys talking about, man? Inverse head and shoulders on the 30-minute BTC BloFin chart. Are you bluffing me? Is this what? I'm not sure what you're looking at, but there's no inverse head and shoulders on my my chart here. Unless you're like really trying to do some Etch-a-Sketch. Like me on the Etch-a-Sketch, I can make anything look like anything as a child. 30-minute, I mean, I don't think so. We did see the 1 hour inverse head and shoulders on Market Cipher, okay? Could continue to push. We don't have money flow coming in, though, and we're trying to reclaim the zero line here, which is not ideal. Big anchor wave here on the 3 hour, the 4 hour. Trying to push up, okay? You can see we got confirmation of that, but this is where we typically look for a trigger wave, okay? We look for this to come back and bounce. We'll see if we get it. Looking at our 12 hour, right? We got clear divergences coming all the way through price action here, so nothing we want to really write home about. 8 hour money flow creeping downwards, okay? We see trigger. Okay, so this could be our trigger that we're looking for that did play to the upside each time. Okay, we can see that. We're very well aware of that. But money is coming out even more. Okay, so as money is coming out, we are diverting, which is a divergence in price action in comparison to our oscillator, right? in comparison to. This is a decision-making time, right? As you creep forward in something like this, it's that last 30% of your triangle that's really going to tell you direction. Okay, so we're very much at a pivotal point here on like an 8-hour, on a 12-hour, same kind of deal. Okay, we can see it's coming out here, and we got these trigger waves in here, right? So can this hold up? We got a nice VWAP coming up to the upside here on the 12-hour as well. So there is some hopium. Every time we got a trigger wave, we called this trigger wave. We called this trigger wave as well. Has been nice. Even the 10-hour looks a bit bearish right now. Like money is just, right? So will this play out? That is the question. This looks juicy, very juicy. Okay, if this plays out, this could be a very big blast off, okay? But after yesterday, you know, getting everybody a little bit perky, a little bit scared. Oh, you don't want to be, you want to wait for your entry to justify getting long in this situation, okay? The daily as well, bearish divergence, confirmed red dot coming out, resetting a VWAP. Money is still creeping up, okay? So that's good. 5-day prints today as well, which has confirmed a red dot. So mixed signals between the high time frames and the low time frames. So therefore, with me, I'm looking for this to push, but I want to see this. And this is the part right here where we come back is where I'm looking for that, if anything. Okay, so patience will prevail. It looks like it's trying to break out right now. Okay, we have this ascending channel right now. Not losing clear momentum, but really just chopping out right now. No trade involved in here. There's no clear direction for me, so therefore I don't take the trade, right? If I don't have certainty or if I don't have some sort of conviction in price action and direction, there's no trade for me. And that's just basic rules. You shouldn't be entering and putting on risk if you don't have a clear decision, right? You need to be in some sort of flow state, understanding that, hey man, this, if this, then this, if this, then this. Now we're going to mitigate this high, come into the liquidity, okay? So what am I looking for? If we swing up here, triple top, grab the liquidity, and then break structure to the downside, and we put in a lower high, then I'm looking to short. If this, then this, okay? If we come back down and we lose this area in here, I will look for a retracement for a continuation trade on this push up. After mitigating this high, that is strength, right? On a higher term time frame, this would be putting in a higher high over here, taking out this high, therefore looking for a retracement back into this area to get long. Okay? For now, we wait. And it sucks because, you know, we want to trade, right? But there's no V-shaped recovery creeping up here. This to me smells like a short, probably a short, right? But we want to be careful in this environment with shorts and longs because we know that what's going to happen. This shit's going to happen right here. The big old John Wick's grandmother is going to show up to your house. She didn't bake you a cake. She needs rent money. She's broke and she needs your help. That's who's going to show up to your door, not grandma with cookies, okay? So, how do we participate while managing this? And that's what we're trying to do every single day. And if there's no reason to participate, we don't do it. Right? You don't always need to be in a trade. That's one thing I learned. Okay, coming up, mitigating the high here, trying to push higher. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. It's always fun. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Often you're good to see you, man. Wick 589. Mad love to you guys. Mickey, Sam Zerker. As per CVD, retail shorting it now, institutional absorbing it. So there we go. CVD absorption. Look at the push up. Here's the sweep. That's a sweep. That is a sweep of the high here. So we have put in a higher high. So now we are looking for possible continuation. Okay, you see the sweep coming in, volume pushing out. Volume pushing out. What does that tell us with volume? That tells us that, hey, they're trying to push here. They've grabbed some liquidity. Will it continue? Looks like it wants to continue. Trying to continue here. Nice push. Okay, nice push. No trade. We still got 20 minutes till market opens. Alex, you could have got long here. Yeah, of course. Could have got long here too. Could get short here. What if price comes back down into here? That'd be a nice short, wouldn't it? We wait. I don't see follow through just yet. Retest to highs. I don't see any follow through. Retest to highs, right? Coming back down, retesting highs. That's another trade we take sometimes. But I don't see the follow through. Volume push here. You see it? We didn't even need volume on, right? So coming back, retesting highs. This is sometimes the trade we take. Pushing up, continuation. No continuation here. People bought this. People are buying this. We're not buying this. We're waiting. This is toppy. Okay. We wait still. No trade. I would like to see it at least come into these lows here. At least. It might not give it to us, and that's okay. You got to be okay with that. If it runs away from us, it's just no trade. That's it. We look to set the new trap, right? We're always adjusting, always setting new traps, waiting for a price to come to us, right? We want to participate. We don't want to chase. Chasing never helps, right? There's times where you chase. Like I longed this wick yesterday. I longed from here. I got out here. Quick scalp. Because it's a sweep. It's a falling knife. You mark it in, you take your money and you run. Okay? Easy trade. Seen it happen a million times. I know how to trade it. I'm not trying to catch this move. I just want this move. That's it. Okay? As soon as I see this thing starting to fire back up, I know I'm going to get a little bit more. Take the money and run. Take the money and run. This one, see, it came back for everybody who got long off these two wicks yesterday. It came, not only did it come back once, but it came back twice, okay? Came back twice. That's the environment we're dealing with right now. And this is at 3 o'clock in the evening, okay? This isn't even market open. This is market open. Look at this shit. Welcome to Rec City, okay? This looks bearish. Very bearish. A trigger wave pushing up here. Bearish sweep of the highs. Bearish sweep of the highs coming back down. We have this little trend line in here. Breaking down a little bit here. People are buying that. I'm telling you, people were all over that. Like, I know you guys all wanted to long that, didn't you? Put a one in the chat if you thought about longing there. Did they sell it to you good? We're looking down here. 97.4. 97,400. Little order block in here. Two. We need a dump song. Good morning, Robert Jones. Good to see you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Master Clips. When you trade, keep moving. Keep moving. 1 hour swing failure pattern. There we go. I sold the top of that higher high with lower momentum is a sell. There you go. Good job. Good job. Rolling over here. We could have taken that short, eh? We should have taken that short. We had it ready. I haven't been shorting as much. I mean, I love shorting. Like that is like my bread and butter. Because born in the bear, baby. Thank you guys for being here. 290 people here. Market is opening soon. So our bias is really skewed this morning because we have, anchor waves throughout 1, 2, 3, and 4 trying to push back. But then our 12 hours looking ugly, our dailies looking ugly. Okay, and it's a matter of time till those play out, and we don't want to be caught with our pants down. That's kind of where we're at. So we see this struggle all the way up here. This is a lot of liquidity created. Naturally, they zing down for it. Will they come down again? Down into this area, down in here? We'll see. 96.5. Right now we're waiting. Trading is waiting. Looking for this VWAP retest coming back down. I'm going to go lower, 97, let's say 97,200. We'll see if we get it. We're losing momentum to the upside here. Should have taken the short, guys. It's all right. Pushing back here, trying to push back. We'll see what we get here. We got a reversal sign here on chart prime. Sweep of those highs right into our liquidity zone from this morning. Very nice little idea. Okay, we wait though. This is only 0.5% of a move. Okay, coming into market open. We're looking across the market. The NASDAQ looking like it wants to push back up, but geez, there's a lot of liquidity down in here for the NASDAQ to come into. Same with the S&P. S&P's just on this boatload all the way up here. We'll see how that opens today. Thank you. I got a frog in my throat. Let me pause this so you guys don't have to hear it. Let me clear my voice. Oh my God. Okay, that's better. I found my voice again. You guys make me talk too much, man. Okay, we got a push back here. Sweep of the lows. Breakout, breakdown, retest. We'll see what we get here. Trying to push back. Trying to push back, retest back in. This would be a short setup typically, but no trade yet. No trade yet. This would be that short trade here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Kind of bullish, but would take a few hours. Yeah, I can see that. Sweep of the lows in here. That's interesting. Sweep of the lows. Trying to put in a lower high here. Okay. Lower high. Breakdown. Sweep of the lows here. Right? Swept those lows. Trying to push back here. Do we get a lower high here and it comes back down? Or is this going to follow through? I think this would be a lower high, in my opinion. But you can see a little bit of volume coming in here. Trying to push price back up. So mixed signal yet again. Mixed signal yet again. Losing this low, though, tells me that we're more likely to come down. We'll have to see. We have a support and resistance line here as well. Very mixed signals this morning. This is ugly. It's ugly. Ugly price action this morning. Look at this, Chop City, Chop City, Chop City. We're starting to get more fluidness to our price action, but nothing I really like, to be honest. Nothing I really like. Let's just remain patient. That's going to be key here. Okay, coming back up for the shorts. Just when you think you should have shorted, maybe you shouldn't have, right? That's what they're doing to everybody right now. They're just kind of, it's like some games. They're playing some games, man. What's going on, Randy Hipper in the chat? Happy morning. Good morning to you. Hopefully you're doing well. Mad love to you. Guys, go check out Randy Hipper. Make sure you go and support her. Absolute legend in the space. Alex Jones was right. Right about what, Post? Right about what? Maybe a mean revert. That's all I expect for now. Yeah. Can we see your VWAP indicator settings? Yeah, for sure. It's just standard deviations here. So just deviations off the regular bands there. That's all it is. Right? So when you get extended out, you typically look to return back to VWAP. I like it. I like it. I do like the sweep. We got 10 minutes till market opens, everybody. I do expect a little bit more chop today than usual just because we have all the data coming out tomorrow. So this bulge thing's kind of annoying me. My CGI AI background. See, I took down my green screen, but the green screen makes a lot cleaner appearance, I guess you'd say. I could just take off the green screen. I mean, it's just my boring beige office. It's nothing special. Do I got to get a YouTuber background? A YouTuber background. And put up like books and shit that I haven't read? That's what YouTubers do, right? They put books in the background. Like, man, I read this book 40 times and you should too. It's going to change your life. Buy my book. The fuck? I don't want your book, man. Oh, shit. Right? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Let me know in the chat. Am I wrong? Good morning, Hipper. Not. Let's go. Let's go. I can't read. Let's go. Right? My fancy ass background. I mean, this is what I'm trying to sell you. This is dust off, baby. Okay, you see this product here? You see this? This is for cleaning keyboards, okay? This can also clean your ass, okay? But you got to be careful. You got to be careful. You don't want to squeeze the trigger too hard. See the red tip, Justin Trudeau? This is for good quality content, okay? Oh shit, I just shot it across the whole office. Fucking hell. Oh man. Oh man. And this is why I understand if you don't subscribe. I mean, I try to be as real as possible, honest and transparent. I think that's the only thing that I can promise you is that you're not gonna get no bullshit from me. I take losses live. I share my P&L. I share it all, man. Share it all. Where's the P&L? I don't know. Where the hell is the P&L? How do I P&L and analysts? This, okay? Analysts. All right? Let's look at P&L analysts. Okay? We're going to look at the P&L analysts. It's loading right now. It's not loading it. All right, it's not bad. I just started this account. Not bad. So look, today's P&L. That was from yesterday. Last 7 days, last 30 days. Not bad, eh? Right? We're doing okay. How's my numbers? Am I doing all right? I'm doing all right. Honest, transparent. What else do you want to see? Do you want me to take my shirt off or something? Okay? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? I just want to help you guys. Not bad, kid. See? A refund. Let's go. Let's go. You can have a refund. Give me the tool hoodie. Never. 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 Got 7 minutes till market opens. This looks like it wants to pop. Shirt and glasses on, please. Don't be transparent. Yes, we identify as invisible. We're not transparent. We identify as invisible, Michael. Cookies. We love cookies. Now that's the reason why we subscribe. Okay. I'm glad you guys are here. Can't complain with that. Decent gains. Yeah. To be fair, I think it started. I swapped over to MEXC 2 weeks ago, so not bad. Not bad. One thing I do good is I manage risk, right? That's it. I'm stuck with you guys. All right, take care, Sniper's Nightmare. Mad love to you, brother. Mad love to you, brother. This is going to pop up or down. This is indecision right now. Okay, we wait. We wait. Trading is wait. Look at this thing. This is brutal. Who's trading this? Like, come on. Come on. There's no participation rewards enough to make me press buy or sell here. There's no way. No way. Not a chance. Not a Scooby-Doo, as they would say. This is shite. Absolutely shocking. Nah, this is... We wait. And this is probably going to rip to the upside. Like, if I was to guess, if I was to throw a guess, would be up. Okay? That would be my guess. Like this. We go like this, enter here, stop loss below here. That would be my guess into market open. Okay? Let's see how well my retail ass does if I was to guess, okay? But this isn't putting probabilities in your favor. This is gambling, right? This is okay, we got, green money flow, green buy. Green means buy. Green means buy. Or we have bull divs here, continuation up. Come on, man. We have a bull trend. Yes, so we have maybe a 55% chance of this going up. That's not high enough for me. If you know, you know, right? Remember when you wore a beanie and a carpenter glasses every stream? I remember. Yeah, man. The good old days, man. The good old days. Happy days. Open mouth thumbnail days, right? Forget about it. Forget about it. This is no trade. We need to wait. This sweep of the highs was good, but now it's as though they've swept the lows again. And this was not a strong low. So there is differences when we get strong lows. this right here may have not been the strong low. This could be our strong low for the continuation upwards here. Okay. However, look at this. We're winning already. Into market open. We got 2 minutes until market opens here. We're looking for a gap down on the S&P. I would like to see this gap down, okay? I'd like to see a gap down right around the $6,000 psychological level here. Okay? If we gap down to here, anywhere in here, and then we push up, that would be ideal. That would be ideal. We got bull divs here. Continuation, push up. Okay. Trigger wave. Market cipher, volume decreasing into market open. So this tells me there's not strength in this move. Why is there no volume coming in? Got market open in less than a minute and a half, right? Is this gearing up to wreck people, right? Is it looking for this one? To me, the trade's down here. If we're looking for the long, it's down here. This is not something I'm interested in, really. Now, if we do get momentum, that changes. Okay, if we get momentum to the upside, we can look for the continuation trade. Nothing until then. Okay? Nothing until then. We just wait. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Mad love to every single one of you guys. If you are new here, make sure you say good morning. I would like to hear good morning from you guys. Bring back the beanie and Arnold. Stop whining. Stop whining. Up, then down, then back up again. All right. Mexi, you got to use a VPN. Yeah. Yeah. Waiting and watching. Thank you for being here, Paul Crusoe, Sparky Loft. Head and shoulders. We're climbing back. Yeah. Okay. Glasses on, wealth investor. Yeah. Yeah, I could trick everybody. I wasn't a carpenter before. Yeah. Right? I mean, if a pleb like me can be a carpenter and learn this shit over a couple years. I mean, I was profitable in 8 months, but I was a bit obsessed. Let's put it that way. Okay? A bit obsessed. Market open. Here we go, baby. S&P gap down, gap up. Okay, a little bit concerning here. Gap up typically comes back and fills the gap. Okay, gap up here, market open. We'll see if this wants to continue to push here. Continue to push or not. NASDAQ. Trying to push as well. NASDAQ, sweep of the lows, continuation. S&P, rolling over. Downtrend. We see something like this break, though, we could be looking for higher prices. Okay, Bitcoin pushing a little bit. Volume coming in. Volume coming in. No trade. Volume coming in. Just waiting. You got a little bit of momentum coming up in here. Wait. All right. S&P rolling over. Yes. S&P's trying to push down. Bitcoin's topping out a little bit here. Double top. Double top thread up here. Okay. Cautious. Cautious. Yeah. Rolling over. Okay. There it is. Trapping these guys in here. People were buying this up. Coming back for those guys in now. Okay. Sweep of the lows. Continuation. Sweep of the lows. Continuation. We got a pushback here on the S&P. A pushback here on Bitcoin. Yep, trying to push up. Trying to push up. We got volume coming in here. This looks nasty. This looks like very indecisive here on this move this morning. Remember we said watch the choppiness. Bitcoin pushing a little bit more. Trying to break out here. We still have some liquidity from previous ranges over here. We have some liquidity up at these highs here, pushing up. Pushing up. It could just be mitigating these highs. Let's be cautious here. We got mitigation up here. Nice push for Bitcoin. Coming back in. Retest highs. We can look to jump on the train if we want. Okay. We do have the mitigation of that high up in here. Okay. Don't be chasing this. Don't be chasing this. Big sweep of the highs here coming back down. Coming back down, wrecking the longs again. Double wreckage. No trade yet. No trade yet, just waiting. Big sweep of the highs there. Big sweep of the highs. Coming back down on the S&P. Let's wait. Let's wait. Big push on NASDAQ. That's strong here on NASDAQ. That could be the strength we're looking for. How's the Dixie? Is it rolling over? Dixie rolling over. That's a good sign. Nothing yet. Okay, good rollover for Bitcoin. Coming down into our lower levels down in here. Wrecking all these longs. Wrecking all these late longs here to the party. All right. I'm looking down 97.5. 97.5 is my first idea. $97.5. Give it to us, Bitcoin. Come on, $97.5. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Anybody get into the short there? That would have been a great short. Balls of steel. If you got into that short, you deserve a clap. Here you go. I don't know how that sounded on your end. I'm sorry if it hurt your ears. Good discipline, everybody. Good job. That's a win in my books. If you didn't take the long in here or in here, you've done well. You've done well. Thank you for waiting. Okay, good job. Patience will prevail. Come down to Daddy Otter now, baby. Come on, baby. You know you wanna. You know you wanna. See, the concern is this, right? Where's the liquidity in this move? The liquidity is right here. Look how fast this moved up here this morning. Right? Is that not right? Stair stepping, but look at the bounce, right? V-shaped recovery. Now we come back to Papa Otter, man. Okay, first level of interest, this low. Let's see if we do sweep the low. Patience. I see you wanting to press buy. I see you over there with your sticky finger. I see you over there, man. It's okay. I get it. I get it. I was there before. Remember, between 925, between here and here is the most, and I'll tell you this over and over and over again, the most dangerous time to trade is right here, baby. This is the most dangerous time. This is why we love it, man. Come down to Papa. Come down to Papa. 97.5. 97.4. Here comes the liquidity grab. Come on, baby. 97.3. $97,350. Looking lower, 97,350. I'm looking here. Sweep these lows in here. Grab this order block in here. Protection below VWAP. Come on, baby. Push. Push, Bitcoin. Come on. A little bit more. You got it. Push. This is the lots of liquidity in these lows here. Might take a little bit of power to get through here. Little bit of power. Come on, push. You got it, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come to Papa Otter. No? Getting through these lows here. A little bit of trouble. You can see the lows here. That's why we have choppy price action over here. What do we got on the Dixie? Pushing up. See, the Dixie's pushing up. S&P rolling over. Pretty aggressive right now. NASDAQ, rejection. A little rejection, lower high. Lower high in here. Okay, we're going down to VWAP. We're still looking at VWAP. Let's go down to VWAP. Going down to VWAP. Ooh, is that the bounce? I'm looking down at VWAP 209. 240. Let's go 240. Give it a chance. That might be the mitigation of the low there. I'm looking at 240. That's not it. Come on. Ooh, that was a sweep, wasn't it? That was a good sweep. That was a good sweep. I liked that. I think we can still push here. In 1 minute. I like that sweep. I think we can still push here. A little lower. Little lower. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. $234-ish. What is this? 255? This is wrecking everybody who got long this morning. Looking to take a stab here. See? We'll see if we get it. Looking to get in here. Looking to get in here. VWAP. Okay, nothing yet. Jeez, this is aggressive. Very aggressive. Coming down. Whoever got into that short, man. Good job. VWAP bounce here. Oh, might take a stab here. No bounce. Where's the bounce, baby? Where's the bounce, baby? Come on. Let's go, Bitcoin. Bounce, baby. I want to see a bounce. Nothing yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Please subscribe if you are new. We'd love to have you. Join us in the Discord. Amazing group of people. Looking for the potential long here. Might fire one off. We'll see. We'll see. This is looking good. Come on, bounce, Bitcoin. All right, let's take a little stab here. Taking a little stab. We'll see. Stop loss below this low in here. Quarter position right now. Quarter position. I just don't want to be too risky. This is pretty aggressive rollover here. We'll see how it goes. Come on, Bitcoin. Bounce, baby. Bounce, baby. Bounce, but bounce, but bounce. Shake it, shake it. All right. NASDAQ still pushing down. Concerning. No bounce here from NASDAQ. S&P. No bounce yet. Bitcoin trying. Bitcoin trying to bounce here. Get rid of our golden pocket level. See if VWAP will hold up. We waited all morning for you, VWAP. Come on, baby. Push, Bitcoin. Push. Push, Bitcoin. Looking for the retest of the lows here. Would be our first take profit if we do pop back up. Okay, we're looking for first TP. First TP is going to be up here at the lows here at 97,640 if we do come up. We'll see if we do hit it. Are we going to hit it and quit it? Push, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Can someone blow on this damn candle? Can Jesse, can you buy some more Bitcoin? Can you buy some more Bitcoin, baby? Please press buy, Jesse. Jesse, press buy. Press buy, press buy, press buy. You got it, Jesse. Come on, man. Shout out to everybody here. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Will we get the bounce? Will we get the bounce? Come on, off of VWAP. VWAP, come on, baby. Push, Bitcoin. Push, 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 push. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Look at you guys in here. Mad love to everybody in here. Shout out to you, B Team Crypto in the chat. My man, my man. Good to see you as well. Good to see you as well. Bookmap got red, 95K. Whew, scary. Scary, scary, scary. Push, Bitcoin. You nambe pambe. Push. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. Why Bitcoin so weak on longs? Because Larry Fink wants to help his grandma buy cheaper. I don't know, man. I don't know. We just here to participate. Bitcoin not looking like it wants to push. Not getting the push we want. Come on, baby. Come on, we got a beautiful green trigger wave here trying to push us up. Money flow coming up. A little bit of a sweep of the lows coming back, grabbing liquidity from this morning. Oh, indecision here, Bitcoin. No real conviction on your move. Can you push up? Come on, do your push-ups. Flop and groper. You got to do the push-ups, Bitcoin. Oh, baby, push. Don't be so weak. There, first take profit hit. First take profit hit. Let's move this stop loss up under this wick. Risk-free trade. There we go. GG's. GG's to the other gang. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the other gang. Mad love to every single one of you guys. We hit our first take profit. Stop loss adjust as we proceed to give you what you need. Okay. A quick little scalparelli. Okay. As we can see, we hit our first take profit. Let's go. Bitcoin pushing, baby. Let's go. First take profit hit of the retest of the lows, continuing to push up here. Is my head in the way? It probably is. Stop loss to entry. Look at the push up. Can we continue? Let's see if we get it. A quick and easy lemon squeezy. $130 in the bank. All right, $130 in the bank. Will we continue to push? We'll have to wait and see. Shout out to you guys, man. We've been crushing it today. We be crushing it. Make sure you guys say OG in the chat. OG. I want to see OGs when we got the winning trades. Let's see it. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Look at the patience, baby. The patience is paying off, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Bitcoin to the moon. Let's go, baby. We'll take off at the highs here. We might as well take off another 25% here. We might as well. Larry Fink be paying us in beautiful USDT. Thank you, Larry. Thank you very much, Larry, for all your continued support, for supporting the Otter Gang, for showing us the way. We love you, Larry. We love you, bro. Thank you so much, Larry. All right, beautiful little scalp here. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Let's go, Bitcoin. Push it. Come on, don't be so weak with me. Don't be weak with me. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it up. Sweeping the highs. Sweeping the lows. We're just here to participate. Take our money and run. Okay? Take our money and run. Every single day here, live, scalping. Stop loss to entry. Beautiful trade, everybody. A beautiful trade. Let it ride into the sunset. My God. Too easy. Shout out to you guys, man. Shout out to you guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you took the trade with Alex O Crypto today. My God. Too easy. Larry Fink just giving us the money. Too easy. Let's go. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. We be crushing it, man. Look at that. Very little drawdown. Very easy peasy lemon squeezy. We all be making money this morning. We all be crushing it this morning. Woo-wee. All these namby-pambies wading through this shit. Come on, man. Bunch of douche canoes. Bitcoin to the absolute moon. Let's go. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. We have secured a good old $280. Easy little quarter position scalp this morning. You know, we had bearish momentum coming down at us, so you don't want to risk too much. And our stop loss was quite low. Okay. So therefore, we didn't want to risk too much. Quarter position this morning. Take profit 1 on the lows here. Take profit 2 at the highs here. We let the rest of this 12 grand, whatever, we'll let it ride. We'll let it ride into the sunset. $300 a day keeps the doctor away. Very easy trade, okay? Thank you guys so much. I mean, incredible, incredible. You guys may be putting on more size than me, but we seized the moment, okay? We crushed it. A beautiful, beautiful trade for everybody today. And this is how we do it every Monday to Friday, man. If you do enjoy the content, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Love days like this, man. I love days like this. Salman Shah. Why do we take this trade? So, very simply, okay? We have price action here, okay? So, we get up. We see the bull div. We didn't take the trade early in the morning, okay? We see the liquidity created from this fast move, V-shaped recovery, right? Trickle down, quick move up, okay? Then we have boring bullshit, okay? Mitigating a lot of liquidity, okay? Grabbing liquidity. What is it going to do to everybody in here? It's going to absolutely, either it's going to run away, and they're right, but everybody's longing this, okay? Everybody this morning is going long. We are going to the moon. This was the bottom, okay? They're going to come back and grab liquidity. We have VWAP coming in quite beautifully. We also have a golden pocket if we go from swing low to swing high. Gold pocket 786 area. We had the square on our chart looking for that. Okay, so we have multiple levels of confluence within this area. We have the push down, aggressive push down, and then a snap off of VWAP. VWAP acting as complete support. We waited for strength, okay? Within this move, we waited to press buy. You guys were there. This came down. We're like, nope, nope. Yes. As soon as we pushed back in, we pushed into VWAP and pushed back. Okay. Indecision. Off we went. Okay. Easy risk management. Protection below the low here. Very simple trade. However, it's the process getting into the trade. It's all of this shit that you have to understand. Market open within this window is crazy. Okay. But we understand this. We're creating liquidity. Retail's getting long in here. We had a push down overnight, bullish, everybody getting long, right? Oh, I missed the quick move. I got to get in now, right? That's the thought pattern. That's the psychology is I missed this. I get long here, man. We're going to go to the moon. Well, that's wrong, right? I missed this. I'm creating a bunch of liquidity in here. They're going to come for you guys. They're not going to give these guys a free ride. There's no chance. There's no chance, right? These guys are buying, they're at, they're at Wonderland or they're at the theme park and they're the ones who buy the express pass. They're the ones who skip lines and shit. We lined up, we waited our turn, and we caught the moneymaker, okay? We enjoyed our ride. Our ride's a lot more enjoyable because we waited, okay? And that's what happened this morning. So we're still in the long. No trade. And that's it. 44x leverage. So I use leverage to not hold a big amount of money on our exchange, okay? That's why. I can show you the funds in the top out account if you want to see the total funds, okay? It's a lot. Let's put it that way, okay? We'll put it that way. Shout out to you guys, man. Incredible live stream this morning. Thank you everybody for being here. If you do want to take your trade further and you want some signals, you want a great group of people who are absolutely crushing it, come over and hang out with us. We have an amazing community here. Trade signals, Kyle, myself, Brewberry Thesis, trading group calls, built on kindness, right? No douche canoes here, right? You don't want to be a douche canoe. So Brewberry's going live right now. You guys can go over and bug him if you want. Okay? Go over and check out Brewberry, an amazing smart money concepts trader. If you do want to go and have privy to an exclusive Discord live stream. Here's the one today, okay? You can go over and check that out. Would love for you guys to come over and hang out in our Discord. Go and bug Brewberry. It's always a fun time with Brew. If not, I can send you over to Army Piper. Maybe you guys want to go and hang out with Army Piper. I want to join, but I can't. I am 17. Can I pay with crypto if there is an option? There is no option. I'm sorry, who, babe? I am sorry about that. What will you hold this trade till? So, for now, I mean, I'm 75% out of this trade now. I probably will hold it if we go there into this order block up here around 99.2 if we get up there. That's if we get up here. I expect a lot of chop today, guys. I expect a lot of this today. So I might even close this out and look for another one, right? But going into tomorrow's data, I expect this. And then tomorrow we'll have a better idea of which direction they really want to go with all this inflation and all that bullshit data that's going to come out tomorrow. So that's kind of how I'll treat it. Is probably Chop City today into tomorrow morning. We'll be live tomorrow morning, crushing it with you guys. So I'd be patient. I would be patient, and we'll see what goes on tomorrow. But I would expect a lot of this shit today. So be cautious. Look at it. It's coming back on us already, right? Right? Coming back on us already. You could add to the trade here. It's up to you. It's all for you guys to figure out. For me, it's always an honor and a privilege hanging out with you guys. If you do want to take your trading further, come and join us in the Discord. Would love to have you. Crushed it today, guys. Incredible, incredible. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Go and check out Brewberry there. It's actually a really good stream. Go and bug him. Ask him to do TA on like shit coins and stuff. That's always fun. Great trader. He's a great trader. You'll learn a lot. He actually called the top pretty nicely. So make sure you go over there and bug him. I will also send you over to Piper Academy as well. Bug them too. Throw some otters in the chat. That's always a fan favorite. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Mad love. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.